More drama unfolded in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. TMC MP Derek O'Brien was pushed to the ground by UP police after he tried to convince them to send two women MPs to meet the Hathras victims' family. The UP cops even manhandled TMC MP Kakoli Ghosh and Pratibha Mondal. They were in fact misbehaved with by the UP male police officers. The TMC delegation has been stopped by UP police 1.5 kilometers from the victim's home in Hathras and not allowed to go ahead. They're sitting on a silent dharna until they're allowed to meet the victim's family. Remember, even yesterday, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi was pushed to the ground by UP cops while he was walking on the Yamuna Express highway to Hathras. Yesterday, the officials declared the village a containment zone after 3 cops tested positive. Section 144 has now been imposed in Hathras.
We appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah.
But just let Pratibha Mondal, our Lok Sabha MP, the visuals are there. Forget about me being pushed. That's not important.
Okay.
A male, arrogant UP official pushed her on the ground. You saw that.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So listen to her
on the
story.
ground. Yes.
हम उसके माँ की चरण छूकर उनका तकलीफ से क्या हो रहा है ये पूछना चाहते हैं। तकलीफ का ममता बनर्जी जानना चाहती है और हमें ऐसा रोका दिया। अरे अकेले जाएंगे तो कौन सा 144 का और वो होगा। देश का लोकतंत्र रहेगी, देश में लोकतंत्र है, लेकिन भाजपा लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहता है। देश के नारी को भाजपा पर हल्ला बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि माँ बहने बिटिया खतरे में है भारत में अभी।
हम लोगों को आपने देखे वीडियो में आपको पूरा कैमरा भी लगे हुए थे। ड्रेक भैया ने गिर गया, मेरे को पीछे खीसे से मेरे को ब्लाउज पकड़ के खींच रहे थे। जोगी आदित्यनाथ जोगी के जो ये है स्टेट है वो जो है पुलिस को उसने लोगों को मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया है।
We requesting for 2 MPs to allow for 2 Mahila MPs. So they are not allowing, not even allowing. That cops didn't say anything. When he requesting, just keep shut his mouth. And when we are trying to go inside, that time he touched me, he pushed me. How dare he can?
Ma'am, will you file a complaint? Will Mamta Banerjee take note of it?
I will talk to Madam Mamta Banerjee, who sent us, and Derek will tell him.
Sure.
Actually, they are the senior leader. I will do with their guidance.
Tanushree is now joining us live. She's fearlessly reporting every minute detail of this particular story. Tanushree, disturbing visuals coming in there from UP for our viewers who have just tuned in. Encapsulate what transpired and all these accusations that are being made by the cousin of the victim of Hathras. If you could just walk our viewers through those as well.
Media, taking the photograph.
We have. Shop cholega chhe. Shop chol chhe.
Tanushree, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Chaiti.
Tanushree, I was saying...
Chaiti, if you can just repeat the question.
Yes, I was saying that why don't you encapsulate for our viewers who have tuned in what transpired in Hathras just a while back, these disturbing visuals, if you could explain what the viewers are watching on their screens at the moment, and all these accusations that are coming in from the victims' next of kin as well.
Absolutely, Chaiti. About 1.5 hours back, TMC delegation, including these 3 female women MPs, Mr. Derek O'Brien, they reached here 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's family. This is Bulgadi village in UP's Hathras. They wanted to meet the victim's family. They told us that Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has sent us to pay our condolences with the family, to basically share their sorrow and to tell them that we stay, the entire government of West Bengal stay firm with the victim's family. Then what happened was this police bandobast you can see here, Chaiti, this entire police, all the cops, they stopped the delegation right here at the barricade where media was already not allowed. Just what happened yesterday with the Congress delegation, exactly the same thing happened with the TMC delegation. Then we saw that Mr. Derek O'Brien was pushed to the ground by the cops. The female MPs were manhandled. They have told us on record. I will in fact, Pratibha ma'am, if I can just ask you one question, ma'am, very categorically. Sorry, Pratima ma'am, if I can ask you one question very categorically, ma'am, for our viewers who have just tuned in. Ma'am, you told me you were manhandled. Just one question for our record. Were you being manhandled by the male cops?
They do not know how to respect women. This government do not know how to respect women.
You told me you were being pushed by the male cops.
Yes, today is 2nd October, Gandhi's Jayanti.
Yeah.
So non-violence movements. And I belong from...
See, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, TMC is making allegation. Your cops pushed them, sir. आपके cops ने push किया है female MPs को. So there, a senior inspector Chaiti, I tried to ask him about the accusation being made here by the MPs. Here we have the visuals. Miss Pratima just told us that she was being pushed, manhandled by the male cops. That's what you told me, ma'am, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I told you now.
Ma'am, what is the next future course of action going to be? Next, what will you do?
We will sit over here
Okay.
until and unless they allowed to go to that victim families.
Okay. Okay. So, Chaiti, you heard her right there. Mr. O'Brien is here. They are going to sit here now. They told me that they were being pushed to the ground. They were being categorically told me they were being manhandled by the male cops. It's absolutely unprecedented. It has never happened before. And now they are sitting on a dharna right here about a kilometer or 1.5 kilometers away from the victim's house. Absolutely nobody is being is allowed inside by the cops. They have barricaded the entire area, and you can see, in fact, they are now basically increasing the police presence here. And the MPs told me they are going to sit here until unless they are allowed inside. They are being allowed to meet the victim's family. Also, they told me that they will take action against the cop who manhandled the member of parliament. So all these things happened just like what we saw yesterday with the Congress delegation. It was a deja vu moment. Exactly the same shots were taken today, because the same things happened with the TMC delegation. Mr. Derek O'Brien was pushed to the ground. The other female MPs who wanted to go meet the victim's family, pay their condolences, they were manhandled by the male cops, as we have been told on record by the female MPs themselves. So this is what is happening right now here. They are not allowing media to go inside. They are not allowing politicians to go inside. The TMC delegation is sitting there, and they are adamant that they will only move when they are allowed to meet the victim's family. Once, Chaiti, back to you.
Yes, absolutely. Tanushree Pandey is getting us all the latest details. She's reporting fearlessly on this particular story. Now, this is what happened just about a short while ago when the Trinamool Congress MPs reached Hathras. Take a look.
यहाँ से सिर्फ 1 किलोमीटर है हमारा 2 सांसद जाएंगे आप जाइए अभी
Sir, let's go if they allow 2 women MPs.
Yes, 2 women MPs.
Yeah.
2 women महिला जाओ
सर 2 women MPs है. 2 women MPs है. हाँ, जाइए. ठीक है. नहीं, ये तो 2 MPs है ना. मैम, 1 second. So as you can see, he is Derek O'Brien. He is a TMC MP, and there are 2 women TMC leaders here. They want to share. They want to meet the victim's family and basically pay condolence to the victim's family. And as you can see, media was already barred. Media was already restrained. Section 144 in place, and now just these 2 women MPs want to go, and the police is not.
दोनों जाएंगे, अलाउ करेंगे?
मैम, आप अलाउ कर देंगे इनको? ये
बस दो महिला MPs जाएंगे इनके पास से, जाएंगे सर?
नहीं, हम नहीं बता पाएंगे इसका।
नहीं मैम, बट आप
मैडम
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.